What's up, YouTube? Catamize coming at you. New pickup. Got the new Air Jordan 12s. University Gold just released today. Right here, I got a 7Y that I won in a raffle from Finishline, but I have a few other sizes coming in. I already took them out the box, so we're going to go ahead and get into a first look. Of course, it comes grade school with the Jordan sticker. 2-3 on the box in gold, normal. Gold Jumpman on top of the box. Got the shoe paper on the inside. Now let's check out the quality, see if we see any stains or anything like that. Of course, University Gold, they're more yellow, but you get the point. Now the fabric part, the stitching look kind of gold, but the rest of the shoe looks yellow. But get the concept of it. So go ahead. Now, one thing I noticed they kind of got me, it's never gonna match, but as you can see, that's two different colors. You know, it's never gonna match because this is leather and this is rubber. You know, they're gonna always be off just a little bit, but not too much. So go ahead and turn. No glue stains. No glue stains. Little nipple right there that I talked about in the last video. Got another one right here. No stains. Got a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, a little white stain in there, a little from the glue. You see a little gold right here. Turn. See a little black stuff on there. I don't know what that is. Look on the inside. Now, see that? That glue. That glue. The nipple right there that we talked about. Nipple. That glue bothers me a little bit. Go ahead and turn this. Check the inside of the other one. No glue stain right there. That glue stain on the inside. Back view. Go ahead, turn. Check this outside. Pretty good. No glue stains that you can see. The little nipples that I always talk about. They show you they're real, because sometimes fake pairs don't come with that. But this black, if you're used to 12s, the leather is shiny. This black on here is a matte black, and I think that's pretty good. You can see the difference right here on this midsole and the upper. The midsole is how the 12s usually look, and then the upper is the new matte. You can see the difference in them. But I think that matte black looks pretty good. Pretty fly. Again, these are new release from today. Jordan 12 University Gold. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.